Hi, this is Teacher Jennifer from US Citizenship Podcast with a quick update about some citizenship and immigration news. On March 26, 2016, the USCIS released the revised Form N-400 application for naturalization. The revised version is available at USCIS.gov/N-400. You may continue to use the September 13, 2013 edition of the form until August 9, 2016. The USCIS will reject and return previous versions of the Form N-400 submitted on or after August 10, 2016. On May 4, 2016, the USCIS published proposed changes to the fee structure. Now, the fee structure is very important for USCIS because USCIS is basically funded through the fees. There are significant increases related to some of the visas, but the USCIS is committed to keeping the fees for naturalization or citizenship very low. The current fee is $595. The proposed fee is $640. The increase is about $45 or approximately 8%. The biometrics fee, $85, will not change. The proposed fees may go into effect in 2017, so we don't have to worry about the increase just yet. The final comments are due on July 5th, 2016. So if you have any comments about the changes to the fees, please contact the Federal Registry. We have some new features on US Citizenship Podcast. The podcast itself has been available on iTunes since 2007. In April 2016, we added an app for the iPhone, the iPad, and for the Android. In support of the new N-400, one of the first podcasts that we released is a podcast dedicated to the new N-400, and then we followed up with video. Also recently, we posted a podcast, which was an interview with Kayla from International Rescue Committee, and she was talking about DACA, DAPA, and DACA Plus. Many of the community service organizations across the nation are trying to register young adults about DACA and getting the word out about DAPA as the Supreme Court is trying to make a decision on that case. Also recently, we released a citizenship interview with Alejandro Gutierrez. So even though we have these two new interviews, which are very easy to see in our new app, my students are always asking, "Teacher, I want to listen to the 100 questions. Where can I find them?" We have several MP3s related to the 100 questions, but the easiest way to probably locate them is to scroll back to March of 2015. There you're going to see two long MP3s related to the 100 questions and then a remix of the 100 questions. Next thing I would like to talk about is two new features on the US Citizenship blog. Again, that's at USCitizenPod.com. On the blog, we have a post dedicated to the citizenship resources for the Asian Pacific Heritage Month. And also, we are currently updating the N-400 scripts to reflect the reorganization of the new N-400. Also, I would like to talk about what's happening with US Citizen Pod on YouTube. We do have a video of the new N-400. We have a tour of online citizenship resources featuring 6 very important websites related to citizenship. And we do have, as I said before, a video about the DACA, DAPA, and citizenship interview with Kayla. I also would like to take just a minute to talk about one of my favorite resources for when I teach citizenship. I would like to talk about VOA Learning English. You can find VOA Learning English at voanews.com. They recently featured 4 stories about visas. The first one is about high demand from investors for special U.S. visas. Second, they talk about the United States uses a fake university to stop visa fraud. The third story was U.S. H-1B visas policies are seen to be too restrictive, and people are petitioning for the change. And fourth, 1% of the visitors to the United States overstay their visas. VOA Learning English is launching a new program on May 25th called People in America, featuring interviews with everyday people talking about their lives and the importance of America and citizenship to them. I'm looking forward to this. The highlights have been very interesting that they've been releasing. That's about it for today. I plan to do this update about citizenship and immigration news twice a month. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact me at uscitizenpod@gmail.com. Thanks for listening, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.